Good morning. This is Jack from the Charting the Markets, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 24th of December. My disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Now, I'm planning to follow up with a post today, depending on the level of my chauffeuring duties, because my children are all back at the moment. So we will see. But I'm hoping to get a post out on both crypto and equities today. In terms of equities, let's have a quick look at where we're up to. Now, obviously, we made the buy signal targets, and nothing really to say apart from we're still struggling to recover this high that we made in the initial move of the rally, and I'm thinking it might well get over it. I'm hoping for an extension higher, and NQ is promising, although this looks like a double top and has only just got over this level here. But the close yesterday on NDX was promising. On RTY, what I would note here is this is actually a very nice possible inverted head shoulders. If we were to see a sustained break up over 2294. This would have a target up here in about the 2370 area, I think. That actually would be a pretty good match with the next leg up that I was wondering about, but we might not get. YM kind of looks like a flag forming, but if it is a flag, then I generally expect to see a move up here. I'm looking higher here, and I'll explain why that is. DAX, buy signal hasn't made target. ESTX, buy signal hasn't made target yet either. So I'm still leaning towards higher, but I was thinking we'd rally into Christmas, and obviously tomorrow is Christmas. So after that, we are at hazard to go lower again, and it may be that we will head lower straight away. But I'd quite like to see higher, and I'll show you why that is. All right, let's have a look at SPX. Now, SPX, if we have a look at the daily chart, what I'd like to see is a backtest of this of the daily middle band, which I've got at 6021, and we're forming a potential head and shoulders with the ideal high at 6017. So that is actually a very, very good match, and it's a strong target. But this is the rising wedge from August. It has broken down. This is what we're topping out from, and this here so far is a pretty nice backtest of that broken resistance. That could hold. We will see how that goes. All right, looking at the Qs. The Qs are encouraging because the daily middle band is at 519.74, and yesterday's close was at 522.87. That wasn't exactly a punch above it. Well, it was a close above it. And this could open up, because this is the only one which was, because basically the targets on the others are the daily middle bands. If this can break up higher, I'm wondering if this could do a retest of the high, and the other ones could do back tests of the daily middle bands, and that's looking more promising after yesterday's close. This has a 60-minute RSI 14 buy signal fixed. I've got another one of these on SPX. I think I've got another one of these on Dia. I do. So there is some reason to think that we will go higher. And if we were to make it to the daily middle band, which does look an awfully long way away, on Dia, that would be at 440.29. If we have a look at IWM, looking at the daily, this looks a very long way away, and obviously, but this is, I'd be wondering about a test of the daily middle band, but currently IWM's struggling to get off the bottom. That's a 234. If it actually catches a wave and goes up, but obviously it may be that we're just not going to get far off the bottom here. IWM, we also had a weak RSI 14 buy signal fixed, and that's still weak. If we retested the low, we could get a stronger one brewing. So we will see. But we've got a lot of these early buy signals. They do tend to be pretty reliable. We will see how it goes. In terms of IWM, of course, this is the one that already has a very nice reversal pattern and has broken down from it. And is failing to get back over the broken support. I am wondering whether we might go down directly from here, and I think we are. I'm leaning towards seeing another leg down. We've got, wait a second. If you look at, this is a pretty good example. This is the very nice rising wedge that has broken down from the August low. This is breakdown, form a pattern, could be a head and shoulders, could be a high retest, and then you do the next leg down. And that's what I'm expecting to see here. And I think that is likely. We will see how that goes. All right, great. Let's have a look at DX. DX has gone higher. We've got a potential double top here, and this is an area where this could fail hard. I'm waiting to see if it's actually going to do that, which would have a big impact on precious metals particularly. ZB, potential double bottom here, tiny bit of positive divergence. This is a potential place this could reverse back up, but on the bigger picture, I'm really expecting this to go down to the 105, 106 area. CL is still kicking around in this area here and hasn't made a conviction breakdown. It could be that we'd retest the high and then break down. Or it may be that, of course, we'll go up with natural gas. Natural gas has broken higher. And is not really, and we had a bit of a reversal afterwards yesterday, which is pretty usual. We had a sell signal that made the possible near miss target, but pretty much almost made the target. At the moment, this is looking like a breakup, and I'm watching to see how far it will get. GC, I think, is waiting for the dollar. If the dollar continues higher, this could go a lot lower. Another 100, 150. I am wondering about that. On an SI, we could drop another couple of bucks easy. We do have a weak 60-minute sell signal fix. Sorry, I didn't actually put the annotation in there. But we've got a potential little level top here. Not really got any conviction either way, though. HG still hasn't quite retested this low. I'm still leaning towards seeing that retest. We've got a 60-minute buy signal here, but that's reached the possible near miss target. Okay, not much to say on the currencies today. KC. Still thinking there's a bit under the market because of what's happening with the crops. Leaning towards seeing a retest of this high here in the 348 area next. On sugar saw a breakdown, and this has opened potentially lower targets. Got a 60-minute buy signal fixed, not really delivering a lot so far, finding resistance in the weekly pivot area. CC, I think this is probably a bull flag forming. 60-minute sell signal has reached the possible near miss target. ZW, we've got a slight break up over the weekly pivot. Got to say, we really messed up my nice looking double bottom setup here. Could go higher here, and we do have a weak 60-minute buy signal fix, which is delivering something. On corn, this looks like a flag that's broken up and is setting up a retest of this high. 60-minute sell signal fixed and hasn't done much yet. It's soy. Soy, this looks like a bull flag to take this a little bit higher. Not much of a pattern and not going particularly fast. CT, I am wondering about this as a potential double bottom. On lumber, I'm wondering about this as a potential double top forming. We've got a 60-minute sell signal brewing, and that's pretty close to fixing at the moment. On live cattle, made the double top target. Don't have any positive divergence, but I am wondering about a reversal back up here. And lean hogs, this still looks like a bull flag forming. And we're breaking up slightly from it. We will see. If this is a bull flag, then this is going to head back up and retest the high here in about the 89.5 area. All right, great. Let's have a quick recap of ES. ES, we could see a fail here. Obviously, I was talking about this rally on Friday. I was talking about this rally likely going up through Christmas. Christmas is tomorrow, so that period is over. I would like to see this go a bit higher and head up to the daily middle bands, and there is some indication that we might manage that, but as soon as we get through Christmas, we're at hazard of having another leg down. And would the head and shoulders high be good enough on SPX? Yeah, I think it would. And we've already got the IWM pattern. I am concerned about a breakdown. I would love to see an extension higher, go up and test the daily middle band on SPX and ES, and set up some sell signals. Whether we get that or not, we will see. But that's what I would like to see. All right, great. You guys have an absolutely great holiday, and I will be back on Thursday morning because I think it's a full working day. I think on Thursday. So I'll be back Thursday, and we will see whether I get my extension of the rally. Anyway, have an absolutely wonderful holiday, and my pleasure as always. I'll catch you guys later.